Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Around House with Cheryl. As promised, I'm coming over here to show you my herbaceous border in the newest section. But this section over here has been here a little while. Need to come out and clean this up. I've been collecting seeds today, Japanese maple seeds. I was able to gather seeds from all of them except for one. Didn't have any seeds on it. But anyway, this is a spirea. Okay. This plant here just is a verbena. They just come back anywhere. If I tried to plant them, they wouldn't come back. So I just let them come. And I'm always trying to propagate. So you can see here I got a little teeny verbena. I think I'm tempted to dig it up and put it in a pot. Look, this looks like a little Japanese maple there. I think it's a coral bark, looks like it. Okay, as y'all can see, look, all the dead cicadas on the ground. Okay, we're gonna come over here. I know I got weeds that need to be pulled. Oh my gosh. Well, y'all, I'm coming back in a minute after I show you this video because, ew, really? That's gross. I'm gonna clean it up with some water and bleach. Okay, so the birds could have some water. There's some birds that be going in there. I peeked, but I'm afraid I'm gonna get my eye plucked out. Okay. Let's see. We got daylilies. I believe these are red and yellow. We've got purple and yellow coneflowers filling in nice. I gotta get up some of these pine cones. See how the verbena just pops up? This is another blood good Japanese maple. They come back. I mean, they're easy to propagate. I think we only had maybe 2 or 3 that we actually purchased, and the rest came from seeds. They're about the easiest to grow from seed. So I'll show you when we move further down some ones that were seedlings that we planted in the ground last year. So this little tree here is cute. I see it's got some kind of a mess going on over there. Got to get that out. Don't know what it is. I'll get a stick. Probably a spider web. We have some azaleas back here. Look, we put this alien head right up there. And look. Oh, I didn't notice that one over there. Y'all seen the blue guy. He used to have skin tone, but I guess whatever paint was on there came off. Now he's turning white. And somebody asked me, why you got those in your garden? I said, because it makes it fun. Alright, so now I am surprised that the snails and whatever else haven't munched up my hostas yet. These all came from pots that were broken, and just took them out and stuck them in the ground here. There's something over here. I don't know what that is. It looks like a weed, so it'll probably come out soon. Yeah, I need to put some water in there for the butterflies and frogs. Look, y'all, I got a mushroom. And some weeds, but you're gonna always have weeds at a big area like this because you can't control the wind. This just looked like something he was working on over here, so I'm gonna leave that alone. So let's take a view of the newer part of this herbaceous border. Okay, So like I mentioned, a lot of these plants came from out of my cutting garden, or they were moved from somewhere else. Now, the daylilies definitely came from out of my cutting garden. Just saw a cicada fly by. So I had, these are probably going to bloom in a little while. Here you go, guys. Look at them eyes. I don't think they don't really damage the plants. But this is a bloodwood, so trying to continue the same kind of theme all the way around. Now, this daylily, oh my gosh, I'll show you something in a second, bloomed already. That was the pretty, no, actually that was a red one, I missed it. That's why they call it a daylily. Okay, now this Japanese maple here is a coral bark. And sometimes the bark is coral, and that's of course why they call it that. But look, y'all, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if y'all can see that. See them 4 cicadas on one? Probably more than that, but that's all I see. Looks like I'm getting ready to get some buds on, well, yeah, I do, on this daylily. Okay. Grass and clover, my best friends. Okay, now this pink flower, I believe it's in the sundrop family. But I'll let you know the name of it. I'll post it up here. But these came from my cutting garden, and they spread, so my plan is to have the pink spread all the way through here in the spring. Okay, now this, I don't know what this is. I know what it is. It's fixing to come out. That's what it is. And this plant here, I see, wait a minute now. Maybe that's what this is. Let's see. Look at the leaves. I'm going to find out what this is. And see the leaves on there look similar. Anyway, either, I thought this came from over where I had it on the other side of the garden. And it bloomed white, at least. I know for sure. Look, here's another one. What the hell? I think, and look. Oh, no, I don't believe this is the same thing, because look, this is what we pulled out from over in the other part of my garden, and come around here, where as you can see, it had white flowers on it. So that is definitely not it. That's a damn weed. You got to go. You going down today, boy. Well, maybe not today, but you going down. Okay. Look, y'all. Oh, hell to the no. Looks like a damn gopher been over here. We had some gophers bad here lately. You got to get something for them. But here's that coral one. Even though it looks red, but it's not. This is the coral one. So pretty. And one thing about daylilies, if you hadn't grown them before, they're super easy. Some people don't like them. I think it's something that's affordable, easy to grow, easy to propagate. You don't have to be delicate. But look, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 7 flowers on that one plant there. All right, here's another bloodgood, but I'll come around the other way. We also, I had some, I guess, side shoots on some of my hydrangeas. You see this one bloomed already. And so we planted them over here. There's another one and a couple back there. Let's see, I want to show you how, see, our forsythia is still living. See how you can have different colors of hydrangeas. colors on one plant. See, you got blue / purple. You got the pink with old boy on there. A little greenish pink. And then you got a little bluish pink. So it depends on the soil. Most of this soil here is acidic, so they should turn blue. But you got another old boy there. That's alright. They ain't hurt nothing. Now, here are tall bearded irises. Experimented. I just took some pieces from another location, cut them in half, stuck them in the ground, and I know it worked because one of them bloomed was purple. Now the yellow ones I have to the right at the front, I'll show you, they're taller than the purple, so I might have to move them in the fall. Anyway, this is lantana we purchased. This is another experiment to see if it comes back next year. But oh, look at the colors on this. It's so pretty. So pretty. I like the combination of the yellow, red, and a little dark pink. And the rest in here is weeds and some bearded irises. But anyway, let's see. Oh, I got a hole here because we was going to plant some pink coneflowers, but we didn't yet. I don't know if we are. Hold on. That plant straight ahead, the big bush, that was a viburnum that bloomed white in the spring. So this was the tall yellow bearded iris. See how tall the flower was? Now I'm going to leave this to seed because I don't have a lot of them. I'm going to try to see if I could propagate it from seed as well. See, these are newer daylilies that we just planted in here. I think they're all the same color, the red and yellow. Now here, oh yeah, this is kind of funky looking, but this is what is it called? Gay feathers. I'll list the real name, but that's what some people call them. And then there's a clump there. I think I planted them too close together, but we'll see how it goes. When they should bloom in a couple weeks, I hope. It'll be hot next week, and I'll probably get a lot of blooms. But yeah, so this is how it looks from this angle. I'm not trying to make this video long, but this is a big herbaceous border that I wanted to show you. And this is just a shrub, a couple shrubs. They get really big, as you can see. But this is my milkweed. This is the first year I purchased this because I wanted to attract the monarch butterfly. And this is the only plant that I understand that they like to nest on. So I haven't seen one over here yet, but I heard they have appeared. Okay guys, let me go over here and show y'all what it looks like from this angle. Okay, I'll be back when everything's in bloom. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.